This is my cousin, and it's a surprise. She don't even know. So because her birthday today, I take her down to this Pelican restaurant for breakfast. Alright,
oh, bless it. Thank you, my
alright, we're going. So I'll tell you a little bit more about this restaurant, a little bit more, yeah. So let's go inside and see what you'd like for our breakfast. Good morning.
Yeah.
Around there, the door is now? Oh, the door changed. Oh, gosh.
Yeah, you come here this another time on the down here, sir.
Around there, the door changed too. Look how long I've been here.
I thought you was going shop. Everything don't make what to put on my birthday from.
Oh, gosh. You hear that there? It was a surprise. Every day is a surprise anyway. You can't expect every day is the same, you know? So, today is a big surprise anyway. Yeah. Not big surprise, you know? But it looks like
It's a nice surprise.
full joy with somebody. The best I do that there. Morning. 3 of us, yeah. So this is what it's like.
Sitting here.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. You better send it to me. Right down.
Yes, family. It's quite noisy. As you can hear, because we are in a nice restaurant. I don't know what I'm going to have because, as you can see, even my previous video, how my eating habit is. So maybe I might just have some.
Stamp and go.
Yes, actually. Maybe fruit smoothie or something like that. Or tropical. Never find out what is it they have inside, what it mixed with. You know, but maybe that's all I might have. Yeah, so waiting for the waitress to come around. So I've received my smoothie and this is all I'm gonna have. Don't really drink them type of thing on street, you know, or restaurants. Because you know, so this packed with a whopper and sugar and maybe something is not really maybe a natural thing them just make. But you know, it maybe that will kill me. And
Bless it.
in Jamaica, them usually say, wanna kill you, fatten you, and when I fatten you, kill you. Me doubt it will kill me today still, so I'm gonna survive. And anyway, I will tell it, a piece I might tell the end of the tale today. So if I don't, no. So this is part of the Pelican restaurant's breakfast. So Mr. Barry, could you run me through what are these? If you order it, right? So this is Mr. Barry we come with. Look at that.
Ackee and saltfish, callaloo, escovitch fish.
What are they?
Escovitch fish, plantain, fried dumpling, and splitters, what them call stamp and go. Alright. Stamp and go. So all we need now is some hot pepper and everything set. Yes.
That's on the far side over here, it's called bombing. That's triangle. A triangle that was here. What do you call that? Triangle. Bombing. Yeah, so this is some of the things the Pelican Bar serve as breakfast. You can have breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's all different. Later on I'll tell you more about this restaurant. Watching my cousin, you know, she be shaking her head. He likes her, she really a full child, it's cool. Yes, I love it, trust me, yes. Yeah, it's quite nice. You cannot really speak that much. Yeah, because it's so noisy. Hope you can hear me. People, lovely, lovely people. Every day is a joy. Loving life. Especially when I'm with my cousin and good friend, you know, and they are full in their belly.
That's good food. Very good food. Can't lie.
Yeah, trust me. Yeah. Yes, my family just about to finish in, you know, waiting on the cousin, you know, so it just give me this little chance to come outside and explain a little bit more about this restaurants, yeah. To what my little knowledge is about this restaurant.
This was the first proper restaurants opened in Montego Bay in 1964. Not so far from the original old hospital set on the road called Gloucester Avenue. Gloucester Avenue now renamed Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, and very close to Margaritaville, also Doctor's Cave. So when you are in Jamaica, you can come visit.
First restaurants, and in the meantime I'm just gonna slip across the road if I can. No, this is, to my knowledge, what I heard, because I'm not from St. James itself. I'm original from Clarendon, as you know that, right? Anyway, and I'll be uploading a video on Clarendon very soon. But St. James is where my father's family is from. My mother's family is from Clarendon. So, but what I heard since I'm being here, this area, this place used to be the first hospital in Montego Bay as well. So I have no idea what it used to look like. If I can find it, what it looked like on the internet, I'll put up a picture.
This hospital was opened the 28th of November 1929.
This is the next hospital now. Few more hospitals since, private hospital and the government hospital. So this is, they used to call this the hip strip. Maybe still it is the hip strip. Now it classed as Jimmy Cliff. If it says Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, and if you don't know of Jimmy Cliff is one of Jamaica's greatest singer. You know, sing like, you know, in many rivers to cross. So alright, see, they are coming out now, and see all the smile on the face, right? See, to show you, say,
everything
so,
good.
Yeah, so you say, would you recommend this restaurant again to people to come?
I would. It's wonderfully nice, clean, and the people them is okay.
Yeah.
And I had a beautiful, wonderful breakfast.
Okay. The same as you.
Been here one or two times.
He have words to say because he's full joy himself. And here the little thing what I say about it now. There you can hear what they have said about the restaurant. The food is good and clean and nice, right? If you are to come to Montego Bay, I imagine you meet a nice young girl and you should ask them, where's the nice restaurants in Montego Bay? Guess me what they would say. I'm going to show you on my way out. The KFC down there. Because, you know, the KFC have taken over all of these type of people mind, you know, the fast food thing. But these are real Jamaican food, you know. So make sure, say, you know, and I remember again, people, I'm not getting no paid, you know, see it for advertising this restaurant, but I've got to big up all the best thing in Montego Bay anyway, yeah? So let's go again. You go is my name, you know, I go. So wherever I go, you go as well. So I'm gonna share the restaurant, the restaurant where the young people them would say is the best place to go. But this is the best place, the Pelican restaurant, okay? Yes. All right.
You can see that's the KFC sign over there. Big KFC sign. I don't think any KFC in the United States or anywhere in the world in the Western region sell as much KFC like this KFC. This is the number one selling KFC. If there was a famine, a chicken famine in Jamaica, people would have been a problem. People in Jamaica love chicken. See, you'd surprise what they are putting into these chicken for the 6 week time you can get chicken, you know, to show you how fast. Imagine seeing where you eat fast, seeing where you're getting dead fast, you know, because everything just ready right away. But I will show you something. There's some food here in Jamaica, some